Let's talk about OPSWAT's next generation deep content disarm and reconstruction technology, CDR, and our most commonly requested use case, Office files arriving by email. There's two OPSWAT components to that email solution, but in this video, we'll discuss CDR enabling our user communities to open files with confidence. We will be looking at the options available for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, but we currently support over 100 files. One of the most common business email compromise routes is through the use of sharing a common file type with executable embedded malicious code. Popular techniques used to accomplish this include VBA macros, exploit payloads, and embedded Flash or JavaScript code. This type of attack has a high success rate because most users don't expect common file types to contain infections. For high-risk files or scenarios, content disarm and reconstruction prevents malicious content, including zero-day threats, from executing. Now let's look at some options within Deep CDR. In the general options, we have the ability to add sanitization details as well as include the processed objects individually. We can also add more memory to our image limit. And finally, we can add more image processing threads. Now we're going to move down to Word. This is the Word configuration for Deep CDR. Removing macros from Word will disarm a number of well-known VBA macro exploits. But there's the ability to process hyperlinks within Word. There's a few different options here. The first one is to do nothing. The second one is to remove the hyperlinks. And the final option is to append a hyperlink prefix. OPSWAT's Deep CDR will process images, remove comments, remove revisions, remove metadata, embedded font, hidden text, and remove a number of unused resources. Within Excel, you can see a number of other options, including the Remove Hyperlink, but down here is the Remove External Content section. This is going to remove any dynamic data exchange information. Now PowerPoint. We have the same options you've come to expect by now from OPSWAT. Removing macros, charts, embedded objects, processing the images, and removing the metadata. Today we discussed the customer use case around business email compromise and how OPSWAT's next generation Deep CDR will improve your organization's posture in a way that is nearly invisible to the average email end user. Thank you for your time today.